Hi, I'm Mats. Today I will show you how to use CostPocket as a regular user. So this means that this video is not meant for accountants or admins, but for the people who will start using CostPocket regularly to take photos of receipts and send in invoices. So first I will show you how to create an account and also how to join a company. And from then on we will see how to submit documents, create reports, add daily allowance and also create mileage reports. So if you have already registered a user, then you can just skip to the part where I show you how to submit documents. So this is how the app looks like inside a phone. From a phone, you can just download it from App Store or Google Play. But you can also access it by computer from this page, app.costpocket.com. So the first thing you have to do is enter your email address, and after you click continue, then the app will send you a confirmation letter to your email when you just have to click a link and confirm the address. And there you can also choose how you want to log in, either by Microsoft, Google, or create a password. So here I have already done that, and now I have three options: to register a company, join a company, or create a private person account. So if you have made it this far, then you probably only want to join a company because the company admin has already registered the company to CostPocket. So definitely don't start registering it again. So here I have to just enter the company name, Thomas Fishing Limited, and click to join it. Now my email address and the account I created has been connected to the company's CostPocket account. So here I can see all the companies that I am in, but right now this is the only one. This view is the most important one because here under single documents you can choose either to add from gallery or take a photo. You can take a photo only in a phone. On a computer it doesn't work. And from here you can create reports. So let's start by submitting a single document. So I can add from gallery, select my invoices or receipts. Then the app will ask me a few questions which I have to answer, like expense type. I can add a comment here and add it to a report. And here I can see all the data that the robot found from the document. And I have to just click submit. So when you are submitting a document, then definitely don't use the back button on the phone because this, if you do this, then the document will not be sent to accounting. And here I can see that this document was sent to software. Right now I don't have a software integration, so it was actually sent to my email. But if the company admin has done the integration, then it will be sent to the accounting software. And now let's also see how to send in invoices from email. So this is the email address here that you have to use. The first name and also the company name here. And if I click on here, then it just copies it and I can send there my invoices. Here I have one bulk invoice. I just have to select forward, paste the invoice email here and just send it. If I also want to add a comment to it, then I can edit the subject and this subject will be added to the comment. And now just send. And this invoice now will be sent to CostPocket just like we did from the app. And it will also be automatically sent to software, so you don't have to worry about it pretty much. Let's also see how to create a report. Here I have no reports currently, but I can select new report. And there are three types of reports. Mileage report. Here I just have to select the name. And at the bottom I can add mileage. For a travel report, if I select a foreign country, then I can add the beginning and end of the trip, and also add daily allowance. So we have a specific daily allowance calculator which calculates the sum by the days of the trip. So this is very convenient if you want to also get daily allowance for travel. And in a report, it's the same as under single documents. I can add from gallery, or there is this specific invoice address for each report where I can also send invoices. And if I have added all my documents, then I can just submit the report. Let's see how it works. And this should be now submitted. Yeah, and it's submitted. So if your company has selected a plan with human digitization, then the documents will not be sent to software right away. They will stay in a digitizing state, and they will just stay here for approximately 7 hours when our people will check the data and, if needed, correct it. And then it will also be automatically sent to software. So you definitely don't have to worry about it because everything works automatically. Then also let's check the settings. Here you can select language. You can't see the users, only the admin can see the users, and you can also write to us. And here you can also see the invoice address where you have to send documents to. If you have any questions about the settings your company has, then you have to also contact your company admin, because only the admin can change the settings. So if you think that these questions when you submit the documents are too much, you don't want to answer them, then this can also be turned off by the company admin. So you actually don't have to answer these if the admin turns them off. And here I can also see the email with what I sent the invoice to this address. So I guess this is it. If you have any questions, then yeah, ask your company admin. And I guess that's it from my side. Thank you for watching.